What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Lottie back with another video, man. Also known as Wavy Hendrix. I'm here to give you guys a freaking brush review because it's been a minute. If you haven't checked out the last video, definitely go check out that last video, man. It was dope. It was simple. It was me just saying, what's up? I'm back on my grind. As you can see, I'm wearing a polyester, silky, whatever they want to call it. Do not try to roast me. I know how y'all be getting, oh, he's not even wearing silkies. Why? You know, no, we're not roasting me. No, we're not doing it. I don't care. Listen, anyway, all I'm saying is man, shout outs to everybody who's out there. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, leave comments down below so I could get you guys into the next vlog video. And you know what I'm saying? Read your comments and stuff like that. Also, today, the package that we ordered came from Amazon. You know what I'm saying? It's so easy to get stuff now. Like, if you're a waver, you should not be struggling trying to get it. I'm gonna open it right now. I got my, box cutter. You feel me? Alright. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Oh, shoot. Did they step it up? Okay. Okay. So this brush is from Brush Kings. I wanted you guys to see it first. I literally just sliced the bag open. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But yeah, this is from Brush Kings. It has their Instagram on the back. Damn, the quality of their boxes have gotten A1. Am I bugging? Like, this is an A1 quality box. Look at this. Jesus, man. Presentation, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta get on yours. This is fire. If you want me to buy your products, man, your presentation gotta be A1, man. So this is a royalty brush that I picked up. The box says, Brush King will never sacrifice quality in the name of profit. There will be no corners cut ever. This is promise, or excuse me, this I promise you, says the Brush King guarantee. Look at that. Look at that right there. Come on, man. Fire. I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. Shout outs to Brush Kings. Them guys is doing their thing. You know what I'm saying? Especially when it comes to these brushes. Alright, so let's get into it. So as you guys all know, every Brush Kings brush comes with a slight manual here. Before it used to come in a box that just said Torino Pro or Royalty, but now the box looks amazing. Unless it's just that I got a bigger one. I'm not sure. So this is a big brush right here. Like I said, I've had previous Torino Pros, but like I said, they came in like some different box. This box looks like they're even throwing in that extra buck to get it made. So it is what it is. But yes, it's a shorty handle. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's wide. It covers more surface on your head. I really think this is a dope brush. When I saw it, I was like, I have to get it. If you actually look at the paint on the brush, how it finishes, it's really dope. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Has 7 like lines that are engraved in the back on this brush. I think that also lets you know that there's 7 rows of bristles on this brush, which is pretty dope. Like I said, they got the royalty stamp in gold on the brush. If you guys are looking for a brush, and this is possibly a spacer brush, to help space out your waves. You know, if you got your waves and they're bunched up and they're looking disgusting, this is the kind of brush that you actually need to help you with that. It helps your pattern. It pulls the hair a lot better than something like this. I do enjoy these brushes. They're great for brushing your hair. But when it comes to, trying to change pattern, move pattern, or I think the spacer brushes are a lot better. It's literally for depth, like the depth in your hair, it's way better. That's all I can keep saying. It's way better. So if you're looking for a brush that you have waves, but they look all stuck together and dirty, I don't know what your waves look like. You know what your waves look like. They probably look stuck together and whatever. Listen. This is the brush you need to get right here. So shout outs to Brush Kings on this one. It's not much to say. When I do these reviews, I'm literally gonna keep it simple with the reviews on these brushes. Cause come on guys, it's a brush, you're brushing your hair, that's it. You can get waves with literally any brush. But these are for the people who want perfection in their hair. So like I said, if you're looking for a dope brush, something you could show off, You know what I'm saying? When you're brushing your hair, or look good in your videos when you're brushing your hair in your videos, this brush right here is fire. It's actually very light, so it's not heavy. I would say this brush is heavier than this one. The wood on this brush is quality. Let me, you hear that? That's a good brush, you feel me? There's a lot of times I get a brush and I knock on it and it sounds trash. It really does. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Some brushes don't, you feel me? Come on, man. This is a brush. Matter of fact, man, let me, yo, check this off your damn head, boy. First off, oh, shoot. Am I, whoo. Okay, whatever. This is not about me. A little bit, though. It is a little bit. Look. You see this? Oh, my gosh. Look how it already changes. Oh, man. Oh, this brush feels nice. Oh, this feels nice. Yo, I don't know if Brush Kings know, but this brush is fire. They made it, but I don't know if they know. This feels nice. Oh, yeah. This feels like the old school brushes, too. This don't feel like no new brush. A lot of the brushes now, man, they don't really feel like they pull your hair when you're brushing. Kind of just feels like it's dragging along the top and your hair is not really doing anything. So you don't even know if you're getting a good session in. You know what I'm saying? This brush actually feels really good. Wow. It really does. So like I said, if you want this brush, you can get it on Amazon. I got it on Amazon. The price point was actually really good. It was $10. $10 for this brush. Are you kidding me, bro? That is a freaking steal. Brush King's brushes usually go for like $30. Some of them $20, $25. Like, bro, to get this one for $10, this is a great brush. I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna try to get some more brushes. Listen, man. Every time something has to do with waves, trust me, man, I will not steer you wrong, man. Good quality products. I do want to say this. There was a company out here, though, called Brotherhood or 360 Brother. I don't really know what was going on with them. I never got anything from them that I paid for. They actually sent me a product for free. They wanted me to test the product, promote the product. I did do that. I didn't even get paid for it. I was such a rookie in the game. It was so stupid of me. And like I said, it doesn't matter where they are now. If they're still out there, I don't care. Like, companies like that, I will not work with again. I will not do anything with them again. So on that note, I do apologize to my community if you guys went out there based on me. You know what I'm saying? And that was when that was something that I promoted on my Instagram, on the Wavy Hendrix Instagram. No longer am I really using that. So if you're looking to find me on Instagram, find me on BeenLacedDrew at Instagram. That's where I'm at. First off, and your boy's losing weight. Hold on, I'm getting back to where I need to be, man. I'm getting back, man. Alright, I'm sorry. Listen, I got some new reviews also coming in for do-rags and some new reviews coming in for some brushes. But like I said, $10, you can't go wrong. This is for any hair. Like, I know some of you are sitting there like, oh, that probably won't work in my hair. It's for any hair type. You hear me? I don't think y'all get it. Any freaking hair type, you can use this brush in your dome and you will get some beautiful production. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, man. I just got it. Yo, you know what's so crazy? My hair is so light here. I thought I was going bald. I'm not going to hold you because my hair is light there. But, nah, that's not even the case. My mom literally just told me, like, I was born like that. Like, come on, what you talking about, man? Oh, man. But I know how to fix it. Pretty much all I got to do is let my hair grow. It'll get thicker there, and I could just wave it up, you know what I'm saying? That way I could be wavy all the way around, you know what I'm saying? But, literally, it's a great brush. Look, you seeing it. You seeing how it's pulling my hair. Just off certain brushing. Look. Look. Come on, man. Listen, I don't have to sell you the brush. This brush sells itself. It really does sell itself. It's a great brush. Once again, if you want it... Oh, also, remember this. This is something I said it in the last video. If you didn't catch that last video, like I said, go click the link and get into that last video. But every single Torino Pro brush sheds in the beginning. Every single one. They all shed in the beginning. So don't think that, oh, my brush is messed up. It's not messed up. They shed. Every single one of them shed. My favorite brush that I use every single day now is starting to not shed. It's almost been like literally 3 weeks of me using this brush. It's barely shedding anymore, which means I know that it's getting to that point where I'm gonna have all the stronger bristles just sitting in it. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Take it from your boy, Lottie, aka Wavy Hendrix. I got you covered. You feel me? I got you covered. I got you covered. Alright, I'm bugging out right now. Yeah, all in my face, like trying to figure out what's Lottie talking about, but I'm talking about these brushes, man. If you want to see a product review, let me know. I actually have the Poppy Blasted moisturizer coming in and a couple of other stuff coming in. I will be reviewing those products as well. I've never used them in my hair, so ain't no false advertisement here. He ain't sending me one for free, none of that. So I'm gonna get that product, I'm gonna review it, and we're gonna talk about it. You know what I'm saying? We definitely gonna talk about it. I think I actually have to go get a shape up, because like, what? Like, come on, boy, what the hell? Oh, I'm about to flame you. Oh, nah, I'm on your head, boy. Get you some. Oh, nah, this ain't it. Alright. Alright. Hold on. Let me get off the internet. Hold on. Nah, I'm playing. Yo, listen, man. I do appreciate everybody who watched this video, man. If you made it this far to the end, listen. I promise you guys it's gonna get litty on this channel, man. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff on this channel, especially community-wise. Shout-outs to my brother, Santana TV, man. It's gonna get crazy with him as well. That's my boy. We got some games coming up. If you know waivers that want to play basketball, man, and you know what I'm saying, send them my way. Send them my way. I'm trying to play ball against all the waivers. You know what I'm saying? Like, at least get to that point, you know, where we all showing each other love at something. Something's gotta give. You know what I mean? But hey, man, I appreciate you guys. The love is real. Like I said, man, positive vibes only. Unless you roasted me in the comments, like, I don't really care. You know what I'm saying? Like, who cares? But at the end of the day, you know, it's positive vibes only. You feel me? Listen, it's your boy Lottie, aka Wavy Hendrix. Once again, back with another video. You see the visuals, the quality is up there. We're back. Oh my God, the quality is up there, man. The quality is up there. I told y'all I was going to get y'all some quality. I told y'all when I came back the quality was going to be hitting. I told y'all. Alright, I don't know why I'm this excited for. I don't know why I'm this excited. But I know that, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why I'm this. I'm sorry, man. I don't know how to act, man. Yeah, I don't